Hey, welcome back with Random Adventures, and today we're going to be melting some more aluminum in my homemade furnace. That's my furnace, and then we're going to be casting that. It's supposed to be brass knuckles. I printed a picture out of brass knuckles, and I cut it out, and then I taped it onto a piece of styrofoam, or I glued it actually, and then I cut it out. So, yeah. And then that's my crucible, the stainless steel little bucket. And if we have any extra aluminum, we'll put it in there. And we are burning charcoal and melting some aluminum. So I'll get back with you. So I just got it in there. I got a little bit of aluminum in there already. You can probably see that. Well, it's going really good still, so. And I buried the foam, styrofoam, in sand. Just gotta wait till a little more melts. I am melting pieces of aluminum siding and aluminum cans. Put this one in there. And they usually just go right down. Like that. So, yeah, it's going really quick. I'm almost ready to pour. So I'll get back to you. We're gonna see if it worked. Looked like it worked. I don't know how it turned out inside though, so let's see. Try to do it with one hand, but I got it. Oh yeah, that definitely worked. It's pretty hard to see though. Stick it over here. Wow, that's really cool. Oh yeah, that was really, really good.